Hello everyone, this is my review of the JOYACCESS Silent RGB Backlit Wireless Keyboard Mouse Set. The first thing I notice is how quiet the keyboard and mouse are. The keys feel soft and low profile, and the mouse clicks are much quieter than a standard mouse, which is really nice for late night work or gaming. I also really like the backlighting. The different lighting options make the setup look a lot more premium, especially in darker rooms. Some versions include multiple color backlight modes with adjustable brightness. Another thing I notice is how slim and compact everything is. The keyboard has a clean, low-profile design that doesn't take up a ton of desk space, but still feels comfortable to type on. The wireless connection setup was easy. You plug in the USB receiver, and it's basically ready to go without installing extra software. I also like that it helps keep the desk looking cleaner without extra wires everywhere. The rechargeable feature is a big plus, because you don't have to swap batteries depending on the model you get. Some JOYACCESS backlit combos specifically support USB-C charging and sleep mode battery saving. Overall, it's a really solid setup. If you want something affordable that still looks modern and feels comfortable for everyday use, if you want a slim wireless keyboard and mouse combo with quiet keys and nice backlighting for your setup, this is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.